welcome to Curly Hearts 101. Today I'm going to be doing a easy bake oven tutorial where I'm going to try it out. I have done it before, but it wasn't that successful. I did make some cookies, but they were okay. We're going to make these pretzels today. So you need the Easy Bake Pretzel Mix, Easy Bake Nacho Cheese Mix, Easy Bake Pretzel Mix, and also it says to pour 1 egg wash mix and egg wash mix, and that's another packet. I forgot to get that out. So first thing you need to do is preheat the oven. And for 20 minutes, and you're also going to need some bowls and the pans. I'm not sure if you're going to need the pans. So the first thing it says to do is step 1, make the glaze. Pour 1 egg wash mix and 2 tablespoons of water into a bowl. So let's get a bowl. And we're going to get the egg wash mix out. First I have to find it. Stuff it out. Probably one of these. Here it is. Right there. So we're going to open this up. Pour that all in there. Okay, so now let's go over to get 2 tablespoons. I gotta get a tablespoon first. And just show the sink. And I'll get one more because they weren't completely tablespoons. Okay. Yep. Here. And now we're just going to stir.
I want to stir.
Sorry if you hear that. I want to stir. It's just my sister. That looks really gross. So, okay. Then it said to stir the mixture with a spoon and set it aside for later. So I stirred it. I'm going to give it another stir because to get the mix in. Okay. So now then it says to set it aside for later. Step 2, make the pretzel dough. Pour 1 pretzel mix and 4 teaspoons of water into a bowl. Stir and press the mixture together until you form the dough. Okay, so we're going to need some more water. Set that aside. And don't show her. So my sister's just going to pour this in and while I get the water. pretzel mix in here, the powder. And I'm going to take the tablespoon.
I want to stir. I stir.
Okay, and now we're just going to stir. Wait, hold on. Sorry, it said 4 tablespoons of water. 4. I'm going to put one more, just like a half of a tablespoon in there, just because it's really doughy. It's how it's supposed to be, but there's a lot more powder in there. My hands are a mess. It smells weird. It smells like pretzel.
Smell it.
When I'm done. Okay. So I think that's about doughy, don't you think? Okay. So just set it there. Okay. Stir and press the mixture together until you form the dough. Okay. So we form the dough. And choose, okay, so step 3. Use your hands to shape the dough into a ball. Sprinkle flour on your hands if the dough is too sticky. Hopefully we don't need to get flour because it didn't come with any. So this is the part that my sister's going to help with. So I'm just going to, you just want to take a little bit, okay? It's too sticky. Should we go over to get flour? Okay, let's go over to get some flour.
Yeah, sticky.
Alright, let's go wash my hands. I'm gonna rinse my hands real quick.
This is sticky. What are I doing?
Okay.
It's sticky.
I'm gonna get the flour.
We don't have no flour.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Just
Don't
try
have
to
it.
find it fast so I can get that.
Need the curly hearts.
Huh? It's a video.
Let's call it curly hearts. Ooh, don't touch it. We're gonna get your hands sticky. See? Ew. Sticky, gooey, watchy, face, gooey. Do we have some flour?
I'm looking for flour and I don't see any anywhere.
This is the worst video ever.